The internet is a great resource, but it can only take you so far. At some point, you want to learn from a real person. Hi, I'm Professor Tom Rizzuto. I'm going to be teaching the Guitar Bootcamp here at Molloy College. It's a 3-week course where you'll learn some of the classic guitar techniques, such as blues, fingerstyle, rock and roll. It's great for any level of player, whether you've been playing for a couple of years or if you're just starting. I think that a lot of people get intimidated by the guitar because it seems like there is so much to learn. All it takes is enough time and energy to practice and someone guiding you to have the proper technique. Guitar Bootcamp is going to be taking place 3 Saturdays in March 10th, 17th, and 24th, 2 o'clock to 3:30 p.m. here at Molloy College in the Public Square building. I hope to see you there.